Dear children, as you know, in the last video we had started the chapter The Last Leaf and we had completed some part of this lesson. Now we are going to start the remaining part of this lesson. Sue was extremely worried because her friend Johnsy was not recovering in spite of continuous visits of the doctor. And the doctor said that Sue had lost the desire to live. This was the problem of her. And she noticed that Sue was looking out from the window and she was whispering something. 6. What is it, dear? Sue asked. Sue asked her, what are you doing? 6, whispered Johnsy. They are falling faster now. 3 days ago there were almost 100 leaves. There are only 5 left now. Now Johnsy said that the leaves are falling very fast. And earlier there were hundreds of leaves, but now only 5 were left. It is autumn, said Sue, and the leaves will fall. Sue said, it is very common. Falling of leaf is very common as autumn season was going on. And it used to be every year. When the last leaf falls, I will die, said Johnsy with finality. I have known this for the last 3 days. Now Johnsy said that I am going to die. That when the last leaf would fell down, that was going to be my last day. And I knew it since last 3 days. Oh, that nonsense, replied Sue. What have old ivory leaves to do with your getting well? The doctor is confident that you will get better. Now Sue said it was meaningless. What she was saying was illogical. Because the doctor had already said that Johnsy was improving, this Sue told her. Actually, it was not the reality. And she said there was no connection between the ivory leaves and her bad health. But Johnsy was not going to listen. Johnsy did not say anything. Sue went and brought her a bowl of soup. Johnsy did not say anything, but Sue brought a bowl of soup for her. I don't want any soup, said Johnsy. I am not hungry. Now there are only 4 leaves left. I want to see the last one fall before it gets dark. Then I will sleep forever. Johnsy said, no, I don't want soup. She said that she was not hungry. But she said that only 4 leaves were left and she wanted to see falling off the last leaf before the darkness so that she could enjoy the eternal sleep. This was the idea she had developed in her heart, and Sue felt helpless to remove it from her heart. Sue sat at Johnsy's bed, kissed her, and said, you are not going to die. Sue showed her love towards Johnsy, and she said, no, it's not going to be. She loved her, and she said that she was not going to die. I can't draw the curtain I need the light. I want to finish the painting and get some money for us. Please, my dear friend, she begged Johnsy, promise not to look out of the window while I paint. Now Sue said that she said that she wanted to close the window, but she could not raise curtain because she needed light. As she was making some painting, as she needed the money for them, and she could not raise the curtain, but she asked her to promise her not to look outside the window. Because looking outside the window, definitely that was the season of fall going on. All leaves would fall down, and Johnsy was correlating the falling of leaves with her life. All right, said Johnsy, finish your painting soon, for I want to see the last leaf fall. Johnsy said, okay, please finish your painting. Even She said that she was also willing to see the last leaf of the creeper should fall. I'm tired of waiting. I have to die. So let me go away peacefully. So let me go away peacefully like one of those poor tired leaves. She said that I really want to die in peace because I am also feeling helpless and waiting is always very tiring. So like those tired leaves, she said that she was also tired and she wanted to die. She wanted to get rid of this tiredness. Try to sleep, said Sue. I have to paint an old miner. I will call Barham up to me my model. She said, you may sleep, and I had to paint some old miner picture. So for that task I would call Barham. Sue rushed down. Barham lived on the ground floor. As they were living on the third floor, Barham was also a painter and he was living at ground floor. She went there to call him because she wanted to make a picture of old miner. He was a 60-year-old painter. His lifelong dream was to paint a masterpiece, but that had remained a dream. Barham was a 60-year-old painter and he wanted to paint a masterpiece, but that could not possible till yet. His dream was not come into truth. Sue poured out her worries to Barham. She told him how Johnsy was convinced that she would die when the last leaf fell. Now, Sue told everything to Barham, that what was the thinking of Johnsy and how Johnsy was thinking that the last leaf, falling of the last leaf would be the falling of her life. Is she stupid? Asked Barham. How can she be so foolish? Barham was also not ready to believe whatever Sue told him. She is running a high temperature, complained Sue. She refuses to eat or drink, and that worries me a lot. But Sue said what to do because she had high temperature, but she had out of disappointment she had refused to take food, and Sue felt helpless at this point. So in this video I am going to stop here only. I hope all of you have understood it.